This little walk has got everything. Wonderful beaches, fantastic views, and obviously a castle. The perfect Welsh walk. Good morning from a very beautiful, very sunny and spectacular West Wales, just down in Carmarthenshire on Llansteffan Beach. The plan is have a wander around, maybe head up to the castle and then come around here, have a wander down the lanes, around here, possibly get lost up here somewhere, then we'll come back, head down to the beach and come back. A nice 4-mile walk with a detour, fantastic. I've got to say, this place is pretty special. You go from a beautiful beach down the bottom, head to these amazing woodlands. They are fantastic, and it's such a warm day. This is a nice bit of coolness. And, the contrast from the beach to the woods is phenomenal. It's amazing. I cannot believe how stunning this place is. My father has lived locally for 23 years and I've only just discovered it. That's embarrassing, really. It's absolutely, this view behind is just absolutely stunning. That was a very, very impressive, beautiful castle. Now, we must carry on. I got a bit distracted and I've wandered up the field the wrong way, so I've now got to double back, go back down the field, back through the stile and the gate. I've literally got to walk back to that house all the way down there. Just back on the beach, got two choices. Beach walk that way, footpath in the cool and the shade that way. I'm taking the footpath in the cool and the shade. If you're in Carmarthenshire, make sure you get down to Llansteffan Beach. And just over here, I believe we have ice cream. After a nice long walk, or a short walk on a hot sunny day, ice cream by the beach. Oh, it's almost as good as Crave ice cream. If you enjoyed this walk and this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, if you're in Carmarthenshire, make sure you come down and check out Llansteffan Beach. It's absolutely amazing.